In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save a Photoshop file that's over 2 gigabytes, because if you've ever tried saving a large project as a normal PSD, you've probably hit that frustrating limit where Photoshop just refuses to save it. Don't worry, there's a simple fix, and once you know it, you'll never run into this problem again. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and practical Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. So here's the issue. Photoshop PSD files have a hard size limit of 2 gigabytes. That means once your project gets too large, maybe you're working with high resolution images, tons of layers, or complex effects, Photoshop won't let you save it as a PSD anymore. Instead of trying to reduce your file immediately, there's actually a better solution built right into Photoshop. What you want to use is something called the PSB format, which stands for Large Document Format. This format is specifically designed for huge files and supports sizes up into terabytes, which is way beyond what most projects will ever need. Here's exactly how to do it. First, go to the top menu and click on the file, then choose Save As. Once the save window opens, look for the Format drop-down menu. By default, it's probably set to Photoshop or PSD. Click on that drop-down, and from the list, select Large Document Format, which will appear as .psb. After selecting PSB, simply click Save, and that's it. Your file will now save without any size issues. The great thing about PSB files is that they work almost exactly the same as PSD files inside Photoshop. You can keep all your layers, effects, smart objects, and everything else without any loss. So for most workflows inside Photoshop, there's really no downside. However, there is one important thing to keep in mind. PSB files are not as widely supported as PSD files. Some apps, websites, or third-party tools might not recognize PSB, so if you need to upload or share your files somewhere specific, you might still need a PSD version. If that's the case, you have a couple of options. You can reduce your file size by going to Image, then Image Size, and lowering the resolution, or you can clean up your project by deleting unused layers or flattening parts of the image. But in most cases, the easiest and best method is simply to use PSB for large projects and avoid the limitation entirely. So just to quickly recap, if your PSD file is over 2 gigabytes and won't save, go to File, Save As, choose Large Document Format or PSB, and save your file with no issues. It's that simple. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.